गिव मी अ मिनट, मैं चार्जर लेके आता हूँ क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा है कि रिक्वायर्ड होगा। ठीक है। Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Who is going to discuss about our yesterday's session? What we have discussed in yesterday's session? Anyone? Just unmute and start. Yes, Raj? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah. Yes, Raj, I am asking question. What was our discussion in last session? Oh my God. From the beginning, I am advising if it is such kind of a situation, then always it's better to have a notes. Am I right? If you identify this is your problem and it happens with you always, so why not to have the notes? Am I right? So as and when, and you know very well, this caution is obvious caution, very well informed that yes, sir is going to ask this thing. Anyone else who is in a position to recall it? Anyone else who is in a position to recall this?
Sir?
No one? Yeah, please. Yes, Anastasia, please.
sir.
Absolutely correct.
Okay.
Absolutely correct. We started our module 4. And we started our discussions related to what are the things, especially the computer networks, what are the other components involved in it, am I right? And then we have gone through one video as well, Cisco, where how the connectivities take place and people, or you can say we exchange the data in 01 form. So whatever it may be the format of data, let's say right now we all are connected. This is also the one form of it. Am I right? And in this connection, we are having the capacity to exchange data in the form of audio, in the form of video. You are also same times chatting. Yes, Ritika. Yeah, the software companies required for MIS. Yeah, special things we discussed about the hardware part yesterday. The setup which is required. Am I right, Ritika? Yesterday our discussion is the structure. Clear? A structure which is required for a better MIS and what kind of a structure we required, and we have discussed about our own let's say mobile handset buying. What exactly we do the research, we identify the technologies and its future. We set our own time, we set our own budget. So if you are having, let's say, budget of rupees 20,000, and then the time you want to spend with that mobile, let's say for 1 year, you want that if it is, if even if the technology is going to be changed, then you don't mind it because you are going to change this phone after a year. Sometimes in a mobile segment you may have the belief that after selling as well, what the price you are going to get, resell concept, am I right? That was our yesterday's discussion, am I right? And this was the initial one to understand the concept behind this module, and then we start discussing about the network and the component, or how exactly the things happens and what kind of a network it is. So I hope we are in a proper position to recall the overall things. Now we can move ahead, am I right? So key digital networking technologies, key in the sense the major role they played in it. So client server computing, client and server. So client, generally what we call, we as a user are a client, and server those who are actually holding all such data through which we are exchanging. Like you as a client, I am also as a client, but Google Meet is having somewhere server through which it's providing that connectivity for us. Am I right? I hope this thing is clear. Client and server. We as a user, you can say we are as a client. And what is server? Where your actual data is stored. Am I right? Like I can put your attendance after a session. So that data is not with my system. I have your today's attendance, and once I put in a portal, that will be available on a Marwadi's server. And wherever you are around the world, you can access your attendance. That's based on the capacity. You can access your attendance. I can access the entire section attendance. Am I right? From the server. So distributed computing model. So it's a separate, segregate the various layers or the labels. Client linked through network. That means right now as we are connected, you are connected through mobile. And what is mobile? You are having particular mobile of a company. That means you just understand what are the things involved in it. Physical device, your mobile handset, then operating system into in your device, maybe Windows, maybe iOS, maybe which one, the Google's one, Android, am I right? Somebody may have the other one, that's also the operating system. Then our network service provider, those who are in India, might be possible from Reliance, Jio, Vodafone, or BSNL, whatever it may be the medium. In that as well, somebody may have the telephone line connection, then internet. Somebody may have broadband, then internet. Somebody is having a Wi-Fi, then internet. Somebody directly using through the mobile. So variety of medium of network connections as well. Then we use the particular dedicated software which is providing that link. So like in our case, Google Classroom, one link you have to open, one software you must have installed in your system, that's called a Google Meet kind of, and you can start the journey. Are you getting my point? So various things involved in it. I put it these things as per our real time example, the way we are connected together and how this connection is possible. Right? And that is possible around the world. It's not everyone is available in Marwari premises or in Rajkot. You are, you can say, scattered at a various locations around the world. This thing is clear because I'm not explaining much, but I'm explaining the concept and especially how the things are happening, and that too the right now whatever we are doing. Clear? So client link through the network. So in network I explained what are the things connected together, that network controlled by network server computer. So that means a one server. As I said, the Google is having one server for this Google Meet. That server is having the link that, for example, I shared the link. So this is a unique link around the world. So if anybody is going to be clicking on that unique link, they will end up with our Google Classroom. Right now where we are, there is no other link through which they can reach to me. Is it clear? And who is providing it? The server is providing, because server is knowing what exactly the link from where it is started, where it is rooted, and how many are under this particular meet. Am I clear on this ground? ये समझ में आया सभी को? How right now we are 14 people, 16 people connected together. ये मैं virtual form में just wordings में बोला हूँ. Yashraj, Anastasia, Ritika.
Please repeat, sir.
Have you understood the concept? What exactly I explained about the network? Even a 10%, whatever, how we are connected right now.
Yes, sir.
And so my expectation is not that you understood the every technicality. I just giving you the layman level of understanding how much different we are as a mobile handset user, operating system user, network user. Am I right? We are scattered around the world, but since Google is having one Google Meet server through which it is making us possible to connect at a one place. Only that level I am expecting the understanding. I am not expecting any technical side of understanding how it is possible. I'm just giving you the component. These are the things involved in our current discussion, and we are possible to exchange the data like your chat, my voice, your voice. This exchange is also possible because of this server computer. Then server sets rules of communication for network. That means what exactly the way you want to communicate. So it's a server rule. Server in the sense, let's say Marwari University server that have their own rule to share or exchange the data. So one rule may be the data is accessible only to the Marwari students or a faculty or a members. So it is not for the public. Anybody around the world will go to the Marwari website and look for the attendance of Mr. XYZ. Not at all possible. And even you, when you log into your portal, you have the capacity to assess your own attendance, not the entire class attendance. Am I right? Ritika, Yashraj, Dhruvi? Am I right on this ground? Or you have access of everyone, entire Marwari University? Yeah, answer. Nildev, good. So you can access only yours one. Am I right? Good. So who is setting this rule? The server. Who is server? The server who is those who are controlling. So we as a pupil or a server controller, the person, those who are handling it, They set it the rule. This the Marwadi University data must be accessible only by the student, and then depend on your role in the university. For example, your role as a student, so you have the capacity to access only and only your record. I'm as a faculty in faculty of management, even in BBA A section, so I can access the record of A section. I can't access the record of a BBA third semester because I am not teaching there, or a BBA sixth semester because again I am not teaching there. Are you getting my point? So my capacity is also limited to where I am responsible. Deans have the capacity to access the all departmental data, but not the entire university data. Am I right? Engineering people can look only the engineering data, engineering HOD or a dean. But the provost will have the capacity to look each and every data. That's on the hierarchical level. Exam section can handle entire data. I hope you can understand the simple rule. These rules also applicable in our family. It's a similar. Am I right? For example, in your family, your parents or the elder one may have the treasure of the house, maybe the currency, golds, jewelry, or precious items. They may have put in their own control. I don't want I don't know whether the mother, father, or a grandmother, grandfather who controls it, but that treasure is not openly available for each and everyone or any visitor to the house. Am I right? Or is it open? Your treasure is available at your entry gate without any locker, without any gate. Crystal clear, open, available. Anybody can access. Anyone? घर में हम अपनी कीमती चीजें, जरूरी सामान, जरूरी या महंगा सामान, पैसा, सोना चांदी, गोल्ड, गहने कहाँ रखते हैं? किसके कंट्रोल में होते हैं? सीनियर्स के, पेरेंट्स के, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के, बच्चों के, विजिटर्स के, या आप स्ट्रीट साइड उसका फेस करके डोर ओपन करके रखे रहते हैं, जिसकी जरूरत ले जाए भाई, इसमें मेरा क्या है, ना हम कुछ लेके आए या ना लेके जाएंगे, गीता को पाठ करते रहते हैं. Anyone? I especially mentioned these things in Hindi because I don't know whether you people are that much in the hand of senior. Good, Dhruvi. Only Dhruvi understood this concept. Very poor response. I already mentioned it in English, so I think our own foreigners students may also understood the concept, because I think same thing applicable in their houses. Good. Head of the family or a parents, that's depend on your own family culture, value system. Am I right? And whom you believe more. Believe in the sense those who are more sincere, but obviously not in the hand of kids, not in the hand of visitors, not in the hand of maids, not at opening at the street side. That's what true. Same way, in a server where you are storing all the data, you set your own rule. For example, who will access the Gmail? Those who are having the record in the Gmail. For example, I have my Gmail account, only I can access. How I can access? Because they protect it through the password. No one else can access it. Like your Gmail ID, you can only access, no one else who can access it. I hope things are clear. I may be a little bit more elaborative, but it's making it very clear. It's a technological side, but here we are not understanding as a computer science engineer student. All right, we are understanding as a basic understanding. Like you going to buy a mobile, you are not a mobile engineer, but you know the basic things which are relevant to know before buying a mobile. That level of understanding we must have in this module. तो जो 2-3 लोग समझे थे कॉन्सेप्ट को, the people those who understood my concept, they just confirm it, because I don't know what the rest are doing. Jay, Anastasia. Yeah, thank you for giving me the confirmation, Anastasia. Then has largely replaced centralized mainframe computers. So that's, I hope you may be aware about from the history of computers. Am I right? The bigger one, mini mainframe computers, or based on the size. Clear? So now they are largely replaced by the centralized mini frame computers. So that means in a central system, central in the sign, through which all the other connections are there. For example, centrality. You may have a one Wi-Fi connection at your home, broadband, and then you convert this broadband connection to the Wi-Fi. Now, that one Wi-Fi router may have the capacity to connect 10 different devices, maybe mobile, laptop, television, and all can access the network through that Wi-Fi router. So that one will call as a centralized Wi-Fi. So at a one place it's available, and through this you can route to other part of the house. Similarly, the one computer which is storing the server, all the data that is connected through the network, so whomsoever is accessing the data, that can reach to that level. This you can understand from your own experience in your schooling. I don't know about the foreign, but in India nowadays, schools results, especially the board's results, announces through the websites, the particular board's website, like in India CBSE. So CBSE, when they are announcing the 12th result, they will declare in our website, this is the address, from there you can access your result. So they stored all India level result in a one server and make it available to all those who are putting the particular record. They will get the output of it. Then internet, we know very well the largest implementation of client and server computing, through which we are having the connection. Now, second part, packet switching. This is very much important to understand, because you may have the experience of, sir, network is very slow and poor connectivity, or in hostel people may have the you can say excuses that the other students are watching the video or consuming more net, that's others or the remaining one are not in a position to uh, have a proper connectivity or download certain important files. Have you encountered with such kind of a problem? Slow network, if you are watching the video, it's breaking in between. Do you have such kind of experiences? Yes or no? Yeah. So packet switching is very important to understand. What we as in a normal word, what we call as a packet, a one box containing certain items. Am I right? We call it as a, this is a one packet which is having XYZ items. We name it as a packet. When we do the same transactions in on a computer based activity, the same thing applicable there as well. So packet switching, like I'm saying something, how it is reaching to you, it's going through the various long routes. with the lightning speed, then it's available at your device. In that too, you are getting my voice in the same manner. It's not exchanging the words exchange in the other manner. It's not happening in that way. Am I right? Okay. So similar things happens. Sir, can you make PPT visible? Is it not visible? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ansel, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I was an impression that these things are visible. Now look, it first time it happens. First time. So sorry and thank you so much, Angel. You are the only awake candidate who actually expressed this, because never ever it happens that I was not displayed any PPT. Even in the case we used to have the PPT. Thank you, thank you. Now I think it's visible. Hmm. Yeah, thank you, Amar. So method of slicing digital message into parcel or called as a packet. So let's say I'm uploading a one file. That file is, let's say, of 1 MB. So the 1 MB data will not move in the same form. What it will do, the system have their own methods, the computer sciences. What they will do, 1 MB data may convert into in a 10 different equal portions, and then these all 10 equal portions will give their own coding. Like if you have any experience of assembling of a various items, the items will have the coding, so properly you can rearrange. So my file is 1 MB, they slice it into in a 10 different portions with the unique code, which portion is first, second, third, fourth. Then they will take a various routes, and at the destination they again will arrange in the same order, 1 2 3 4. If you people have any experience of a old time, old in the sense 5-10 years back, when we were using 2G or 3Gs, if you are opening any image, any photo, then that photo will not directly emerge. It will take time. First you are getting nose, then you are getting eyes, slowly you are getting face, then getting hair, slide by slide, one box is keep opening. Then you realize, yes, this is the way you are getting those particular inputs. Yes or no? Yes. Good. Now, so and it will assemble. So this is called as a kind of a packet. So since don't no need to have a traffic. For example, when you go to a market and buy a various item, what you do? Let's say you are having 100 items which you are buying. Do you put all the item into in one pack, one box, or a one bag? Or you have a different bags which are having capacity. So let's say you are holding the your with the two hands and one more family member with you. So let's say you are having four bags. So you distribute the items in the proper weights. So everyone will have the good quality of weights, not very high, not very low. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, this computer system is trying to divide. Am I right? Similarly, computer system is also dividing the various work or a various data or a loads into in a different pieces and then trying to make it available to you. Am I right? Similar way it's doing for you as well. Now, so the sending packets along different communication paths as they become available and the reassembling packets at destination. So again, you can put it into in the same order. So like when you are buying items in a mall, you put it these item into in a four different bags so the member of family can easily carry. But when you take it to your home, what you will do? Again, you will take out from the bags and arrange these packs as per their requirements. Kitchen items must be in kitchen, bathroom related items must be in a bathroom, or other items at a proper place. I hope you are agreeing with this a very layman level of understanding. Yes or no? I need quick comments. So I'm giving you the idea how exactly the computer are doing and how we are doing. We also do the same thing. We arrange the item, we take it into in a different form. When you are arranging the item in a shopping mall, you will not think, okay, no, this item is of kitchen. Why we are putting in the bag where you are having the items related to the bathroom? Bathroom in the sense, let's say you are having bath soap, detergent, something else. Am I right? You put it as per the weights required, and then again you will rearrange once you go back to your home. Clear? So just a minute, last one. Okay, the packet switching more efficient use of network communication capacity. So identifying the routes or the areas where less, you can say the traffic, so you can have a better quickly movement. So look at here in this graph and just let me know what you are understanding from our last discussion. Watch it. Watch it and let me know. Watch it and let me know again. I will welcome if you unmute and then explain, because by the wording it will not be that much easy to explain. Anyone, please? Based on our discussions, please unmute and then express. Anyone? You are getting, I think, color, path, movement. It's very easy. That's why I'm expecting that you can do it. Yes? No one? Okay. Here is the sending stage where you are having one item.
Sir,
Yes, please.
uh, I think the sequence or the serial from the step from beginning to end,
Yeah.
and another thing to adopt the situation, like adaptability to situation
Mm.
and requirement that we have to do.
Good.
I think like just that.
Just observe what's happening. One information, one message, maybe audio, video, clip, photo, like we are converting, communicating to each other. They will divide this whole information into in a different parts. For our understanding purpose, it divided into in three parts. I think it's easily visible through the colors. Am I right? And they coded, this is the first packet, this is second packet, this is third packet, and they know this is the destination. So since that guy is connected through the network, and network may have the different routes, like we are having so many towers, so many mobiles, so many other routes we have. For example, those who are in Rajkot, for them, or in your own city, those who are in foreign, do you find that there is only a one way to reach to the destination, or a multiple? Even in the on the road, let's say you want to visit the market, might be possible somebody may have the single route, but generally we are having multiple routes to reach. Am I right? From any square you can take left turn, right turn, then again you can take left, right. Or those who have the experience of Google map, there you may have the experience that you can have multiple kind of a different variety. Am I right? Variety of way through which you can reach there. That's a one form. So you can choose the best one which is closer to you. You can choose the best one which is closer to you. Yes or no? So here these are the packets. Now system will decide where is the traffic. So they are not taking all the three packets from the one route. If it will take only on the one route, this route will become very busy because three packets are coming, so no one else will come. It's like a traffic will become high and the speed will become slow. It generally happens with you people as well. Am I right? In your mobile phone, for example, at a time of night or evening times, you will find the connections is not that much good, because when you are downloading something the speed is less. But if you are doing the same thing at midnight or early in the morning, 4 o'clock, that maybe you may have a good speed because every route is vacant. So you just uh, demand anything or any a message or any video, quickly it will reach to you because traffic is less. Similarly, if you visit to the any mall in a very busy time, obviously you will find traffic in the road. So in the same manner, it will decide how to reach or how to take the different packets from the routes. And look at here, it's reassembled in the same manner. First part upper side, then second part middle, third part at lower, in the same manner. It will never happen you are sending the photograph of Shahrukh Khan and from the beginning, and it will photo is becoming of Amir Khan at the end, at the destination. Does it happen any time? क्या आपने किसी का फोटो भेजा हो और किसी और का फोटो वहां पे मिला हो? यस, एनीवन? कभी ऐसा हुआ है क्या? कभी नहीं हुआ। जिसका फोटो भेजेंगे वही फोटो जाएगा। और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक कोई फोटो भेजा था और उसका दूसरा वाला फोटो वहां बन जाएगा। दैट विल रिमेन सेम। दैट इज द ब्यूटी। That's a packet switching networks and packet communication. This way it reads. And what are these things? These are the lines, connections through which, clear, the things are moving from one location to the other location. We are having wire, wireless, multiple routes, clear, multiple way of wire connected. So it's choosing their own way. And in one thing you just understand, when you visit the Google map, it will show you the shortest route by distance because you have to cover it physically, and there you have a limitation. But in this network it doesn't make any sense because speed is on the lightning side. Am I right? Millions of kilometers per seconds. Even I will give you the specific figure as well. So it will run on the speed of light. So distance doesn't matter, that if whether it's 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer. Are you getting my point? Is distance doesn't matter. Even let's say one person is at a Marwadi entry gate, another person is Marwadi hostel, but data may come from America, from USA, UK, and let's say from Australia. That will have somebody is forwarding some message. It may take different route. That's also possible. That depend on, because they need to check their own way of sending the packets. Are you getting my point? If it is on a local area network, then obviously the local things will count. If you want to check it, just use our own library website and try to download NPTEL videos, NPTEL videos that are available. Those who are at Marwadi and having the network connection or LAN connection through the Marwadi, they download and remove the cable and download the NPTEL video from NPTEL website, the same video, and see the difference. Those who are at Marwadi and looking from Marwadi through the Marwadi library website, it may download in seconds. Whereas when you download from NPTEL video, it will take a minutes. And when I am talking about seconds, hardly it will take 10 to 20 seconds of 4 GB, 400 MB. Whereas when you download the same data from NPTEL website, it will take 10 minutes, 20 minutes approx. Is it clear? Good. So we can end our today's discussion here. We can carry on in a next coming session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you everyone.